Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Tunes with a quick tip that might save you a trip to the marina, might save you some money, and might save your day on the lake. If your motor isn't starting or doesn't sound like your battery has enough charge, start with your battery cables first. So go to your battery. You can see this green buildup of corrosion is going to inhibit your battery from getting good power. Often it's worse on the positive, but we want to clean up both. I'm going to take a wire wheel and a drill. Just clean that corrosion off until I start to see it shine a little bit. Clean that corrosion off. We'll hit the other side too. That quick and easy. I'm going to put my battery for my motor, my battery cables for my motor on the battery first, then put accessory stuff on, and then snug it down nice and tight with a stainless nut. Ideally a nut with a wrench instead of a wing nut. You're going to save yourself a lot of hassle, hopefully save yourself some money and a trip to the marina.